Alright, I'm Drew and this is Andy. This is Andy. This is Drew. And we're in Acumba, California. It's about an hour east of El Cajon, San Diego, California. And anyways, we're gonna be walking down this fucking railroad track on today's nature walk, and we're gonna see if we can't find something cool, or interesting in that aspect. What are you looking forward to today, Andy?
Maybe like a seashell?
Fucking go hit my foot. Alright. Maybe what?
Seashell? Maybe find a shell.
Maybe some gold or something? As you can
These railroads, like guys, like these big ass railroad nails, we can take that shit with Pawn Stars.
Dude, we probably could. Anyways, so we're just walking down these tracks, and I'm not really sure if we're supposed to be or not, but we don't really care.
Documenting, nigga. This is the only fucking thing to do in Acumba.
This is the only thing to do in Acumba, and I'm gonna
Repeat everything I said.
yeah. I'll probably throw this on YouTube.
Hello, YouTube, MySpace, Facebook.
And we might just become the next big thing. And
Man, we've been had this shit, nigga.
yeah, no, and if we do, you just fucking heard me say it in my first 1 minute and 28 seconds
first comment, nigga.
of film live. And if that's the case, then I'm psychic.
Psychic. See, the fucking fence ends.
I know it does. But, anyways. I know, how stupid is that? You're trying to figure someone out. Anyways. So, there's a lot of rocks out here, a lot of hills, a lot of cactus, and, possible we could get hurt, especially being in sandals and
Goat heads.
And yeah, there's cactus and there's glass, and this is country, so all you city folk who think you're tough, I can fucking throw a leg kick at your fucking head, dude.
Yeah, man.
Straight up, I'll knock you the fuck out. Anyways, so dude, you talk some. I'm fucking tired.
So what I'm looking for right now is like, look at this, look at these. It says 39 on that nail. What does that mean?
Maybe the year it was made.
Look at this nail.
Oh. Maybe the year it was made, or maybe the year that slavery was abolished or something.
How fucking cool is that? I bet none of you guys fucking seen a railroad every day of your fucking life.
No, fuck no. That is cool as fuck, you guys. That is fucking cool.
This is where we fucking live. Look around. Show them the fucking hole. They ain't shit around us.
Oh, fuck. That's Mexico over there.
Right. We're fucking a 10-minute walk from Mexico.
There's a little farm, and right now it's called Bort Farms, and everyone's trying to get it shut down.
Why?
Because of the gnats.
Oh yeah, fuck the gnats.
That's awful. Anyways, we won't comment on that. But, a lot of old fences broken down. Blue sky. It's kind of cold out here, but it's okay. And we'll update you guys. Yeah, well, probably not, because I don't really have like a video editor on my computer, but so I can't really like link or yeah, but I don't want to be like part 1 and part 2, or I could do that, huh? Alright, for sure. Huh, okay, well, we'll be back with a part 2 if something cool happens. This is Drew Hancock. It's a funny last name, but you can add me on Facebook if you want. I'm a fucking stud. And what are you doing? What'd you find?
Bear trap.
A what?
A bear trap.
A fucking bear? There's fucking bears out here?
Okay.
It's not a bear trap, is it? You're stupid. That's not a, you're stupid. Fuck. Anyways, okay, well, that's probably the Border Patrol coming to fuck us up. They like to kill people, even when they're, innocent and white. Anyways.
Let's go down here.
Yeah, we're gonna go down here and see if we can't find something. Alright. Peace.